Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. What we're looking at here is a non-kinking rubber 250 bar hose, one wire inside there. Now this is special hose, standard on the ends. Got the Karcher probe, goes in one end. Now that screws onto there, 1/4 inch BSP threads, and on the other end we've got the part where you'd put that probe we've just looked at into it to make it as an extension hose with 3/8 BSP threads. So you would simply make this and use this as an extension hose to make yours. Now the Karcher quick releases, what you tend to find is the plastic and they get scraped around, and before you know it they've worn away. So what we've done is make this in a simpler format, so you've not got that problem. Also, I've seen in the marketplace the quick release system, and what they do is they plug the quick release in. Now that's not the case. What happens is with the quick release it pulls backwards and forwards, and before you know it you've got a worn end. So we've done it specially on a different system so that doesn't happen. 10 metres, 15, 20, 25 and 30 metres. Really don't want to go as far as that, less otherwise in a K series Karcher you'll get pressure drop over that distance on a 1/4 inch hose. If you wanted to, not you're putting a drain nozzle on at one side, so you put drain on a nozzle at that side, and that will connect into the pressure washer. It then means that if you ever change the machine, just change the ends on the hose, not a throwaway world. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. And this is for the Karcher K series.